what goes on in boating. I'm coming from a world where not everybody does that into a world where everybody does. So we all of captains know something called navionics, which is how you get around on the water. Generally, we watch the weather. Obviously, that's first and foremost when you're out in it. It's kind of like an outside job or something like that, relatively. With that, that's the first and foremost that you got to kind of make sure that you can do. So getting around though in the water, we use something called topographical maps. So they're basically like mountain maps. If you've ever been hiking in the backwoods, they're, you know, terrain maps. So there's like, this is a little hill under there, right? Like all those little circles, or that's actually, excuse me, that's a hole rather. These up here are the white areas, are like, that's 7 feet, that's 20 and 30 feet down in there. You see it says 24 over here and 25 over here. It says 7. So these are the shallow parts. My boat and this one will not go in shallow parts, right? And of course this all looks the same out here. It all looks just serene and like you could just, you know, go around and go wherever you want. But there are 3 types of sailors. Ones that haven't run aground yet, ones that have run aground, and liars. So we, you know, it's something that we really contend with quite heavily, because we, you know, you always want to be close to shore, and you've got to navigate that underneath the water. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to track around. It's about a 3-mile trip. And I can't get under this bridge here because it's a 50-foot bridge and this is a 60-foot boat. So I'm gonna have to probably anchor right here and take the dinghy all the way up in this bay up here to get diesel, because the bay that I'm at does not have diesel. Like the whole bay does not have diesel, and it is full of sailboats, which is really weird. It's like all these sailing schools and all these rich yacht clubs and whatnot up in here, but no diesel. So anyway, so a good bit goes into getting around on the water. It's not just point and shoot, which is kind of what it looks like. There's a lot of planning that goes on. So anyway, now you know. Ciao.